Hi there, welcome back to Mark ERC. Finally arrived, Tamiya's multi-function control unit. These systems you can put in trucks, like the 4x4 Toyota trucks that Tamiya make. Gives you realistic lights, realistic sound. They are pretty cool actually. I've had to wait for absolutely ages for this. I ordered this one from Japan. They're almost half the price of what they are in England, but I have been waiting for ages. So what do you actually get inside this kit? Let's have a look what's in the box. I was going to put this into my grand hauler, but after seeing how pretty much I've got to take the entire truck apart, more than likely just going to buy a king hauler and I'll retrofit it as I build it. Right, in the box you get the little sound module for adjusting sound, lights and all the other little bits and pieces with these trucks. There are a lot of lights in this particular kit. Little clips to hold all the cabling in, and some of Tamiya's like 3M tape, I suppose you'd call it. Then you get the actual control unit itself. As you can see down the side, that's where everything plugs into. And these actually act as the speed control as well, so you don't need another speed controller. Looks like, what's that in there? Oh, that looks like that's the little motor that powers the like little brass cam that makes the truck wiggle backwards and forwards like a real truck does when it's running. There's the weights for it that can connect on, so you get that wiggly motion. Loads of screws, more screws, loads of little even more screws. Then Tamiya give you some ceramic grease. I'm assuming that's for the fifth wheel. Then you get loads and loads of different coloured lights, orange, red and white. Oh, there's something else in the end there as well. You get Tamiya's little speaker that creates all the noise, all the motor noises. I think this kit actually does 20 different genuine sounds of real trucks from America. This is the mfcu 01. They do an 02 and an 03. I think the 03 is European trucks. The 02 is for like Toyota 4x4 type trucks. Then you get all the housings for the speaker that fits inside the cab of the lorries or under the bed in the Toyota trucks, in the 3-speed trucks. Loads more parts, looks like another step. The rear light clusters, they look like for a trailer actually, like trailer light clusters. Plus part of the fifth wheel on the part trees. Then we've got the fifth wheel with a little box that hides all the motor and everything. And then you get black fuel tanks. I'm assuming you can use the actual tank that comes with the kit, the lorry kit itself. And then a very comprehensive instruction manual telling you how everything works. You also get a load of stickers that tell you what each cable does. Make it a lot easier when it's come to wiring. So you just wrap one of them around the cable of the particular light or whatever part you're installing. And then Tamiya's just generic manual of what and what not to do. So quite a comprehensive kit. I paid £175 for this from Japan. I think they're around the 280, 320 mark in England. but like I say, it has taken a while to get here, but then that's a saving of £125, so you can't really go wrong with that. So the next thing to do, I'll be waiting for the king hauler to come, and then I'm going to put all of this in the king hauler. I might get another one and do the grand hauler. Let's see how that goes. But it all does look pretty straightforward, all plug and play. So you can't really go wrong. So there we have it, Tamiya's mfcu kit. What I might do is wire this up to a battery first, get everything laid out on the table, all the wires where they've got to go, just so I don't make any mistakes, because I don't want to be cable tying everything into chassis and then having to undo it all. And I did come up with quite a cool idea to hide all these cables. If you get some like 10mm heat shrink black, run all your cables through the heat sink, shrink it down, and then when you've actually got it in the truck, it's going to look like genuine wiring. It's almost going to be like hidden. So hope you like this little video of what you get inside the kit. But there, does it show you on the? Yeah, it shows you on the box there. The layout inside looks like that's the Ford Aero Max they've got on the picture on the box for this one. But overall, quite a comprehensive little kit. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one when this is all fitted to the king hauler. Well, king hauler or globe line. I'm leave in the comments below what you think, what truck I should get, the globe line or the king hauler, and I'll get whatever truck people want to see built. So like I say, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. See you later. Bye.